Good morning, that's our bamboo forest over here. This is White Crane Healing Arts, making Frank's Garden, May 15th, 2022. Just take a little quick jaunt. These are fruit trees, nectarine, peach. Further in the back there is little elderberry, blueberries over here. Fig trees to the right here. That's my asparagus patch right here. This is a remnants of the winter garden. Lettuce and kale, different types of kales. These are my two beautiful apple trees, Macintosh and Honeycrisp. As we come across here, onion patch, garlic patch right there. This here are all my plants for butterflies, echinacea. I'm building a new bed here for Chinese herbs this year. Red raspberry, blackberries over here. This here is on each end of the bed I have a lot of flowers. This is multicolored sunflowers coming up. This is a bed here that I'll be planting sweet potatoes, and these are all my different types of regular potatoes on this side here. And right across here are my sweet peas coming up, red cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. This is a bed right across here that I'm nurturing, put corn. This coming week I'll be doing that. And my favorite area here is a tomato patch. At the very end there will be zinnias at the end, the little baby zinnias, and here are all my tomatoes. On the other side will be more actual peppers on that side. So as you can see, I'll give you another quick view. There's quite a bit happening here, and we'll just take a quick walk to my meditation place. Here, these are 3 goji berries that are doing much better this year. But here's my meditation bench. Probably now you'll be able to get to hear the spring. Everyone be well. Hope you enjoyed.